Hello everyone, this is Chi from Chibi Studio, and today I am going to show you how to whitelist an email. And the reason why we want to do that is to make sure that incoming mail is not being sent to our spam folder. Now, if you received this link from me or somebody pointed it out to you, this is very important for me because I am a brand new account sending emails out, and because I am brand new, Google and other email servers will think that I am a spam bot. So if you sign up for my email subscriptions for my art, please do. Link in the description below. Please, please, please do this so that the emails that you get from me and all future emails will go straight to your inbox. So without further ado, let's get started. So quickly, when you go over to subscribe to my email list or any email list for that matter, you're going to click submit after you put your info in. And as you can see, I'd like you to whitelist my sender, my email account, so that it doesn't end up in your spam folder. This page will be updated later when this video has gone live, so you can click back and review this if you get lost or need help. Now, when you go into your email account, you're going to see that I am not in your email. I am over here in your spam. So you click on here. Here I am, Chibi Studio, chi@chibistudio.com. And here's the welcoming email. Now, you can report not spam, but this will not officially whitelist any future emails that I send out. So you can do this, but it's not what you need to do, and my emails in the future will just go to your spam box. So we are going to create a tag or a filter to whitelist the Chi@Chibi Studio. So there's a few ways we can do this. One way is to click these little three dots up here, filter messages like this. You see chi@chibistudio.com. That's where it's from. You want to create the filter, and you want to click never send it to spam. Create filter. Now, if for some reason you didn't get my email address, or maybe you accidentally deleted this or something, or maybe there's somebody else that you want to make sure you get their email in your inbox rather than your spam, you can go up to here at the gear icon for settings, click see all settings, go over to filters and blocked addresses. I have a lot of filters. You can create a new filter. Here we'll do chi@chibistudio.com. Create filter. Never send it to spam. And create filter. So it just does the same thing. And you can see in my spam account, it doesn't send it to the inbox unless I do that. But now if I go over and resubscribe, so I enter my information here again, click submit. All right, go back to my inbox. And this time it should be in my inbox. So if I refresh this, here we go. It's in here, it's the same message twice. Oh, look. And since I'm whitelisted, you can now see my little logo rather than the previous broken link that we had seen earlier. So that's how you whitelist on Gmail. Unfortunately, you cannot do this on an iPhone in the app, but you can do this on an Android. I cannot unfortunately show you because I do not own an Android, but if you would like to learn how to whitelist on other email accounts,
please let me know. Post a comment in the description below. I hope this has helped you out, and please subscribe to my email list to follow me in my art adventure. Thank you and have a wonderful day.